Hookhead Peninsula juts out into the Atlantic like a finger pointing away to land. Here we find my old school friend Eoin Colfer.
See right out to the ocean.
Eoin's Artemis Fowl series of books have sold over 25 million copies, and you might have seen the Disney blockbuster movie. Well, he grew up with his four brothers on this spit of land. So Eoin, tell me a little bit about your childhood on the Hook Peninsula.
Well, this is the Colfer ancestral home. If you walk along the rocks this way, you will come to our house where we lived. My dad was born here. He grew up here. He was the first man in his family to go to secondary school in Wexford Town, and then of course he went on to become a doctor of history. He wrote extensively about the area. But my abiding memory is the summers here when we would jump off these rocks into the water. But for me, if I had to remember just one thing, it's the many times my father brought us up to the lamp room in the lighthouse behind us, and he was very friendly with the lighthouse keeper. So we were allowed to climb inside this massive bulb and look out through the world, refracted through these giant lenses. And I remember my dad saying, he said, now remember, there's always a different way to look at the world. And that's kind of words I have lived by ever since.